The legendary Nissan Terrano is coming back, but this time it's electric. No roaring engine, no old-school brute force, just 800 Newton meters of instant torque in silence. So the real question is, has Nissan created the future of off-roading, or just killed the legend? Back in the 90s, SUVs weren't soft. They weren't built for moles or speed bumps. They were built to survive. And the Terrano, it was one of the toughest names out there. In some markets, it was basically the Nissan Pathfinder, a machine that didn't ask where the road ends. It just kept going. Body on frame, real 4x4 systems, pure mechanical confidence. But then, the world changed. Crossovers took over. Comfort replaced capability, and the Terrano quietly disappeared. Until now. At Auto China 2026, something unexpected happened. Nissan didn't just bring back a name. They reinvented it, introducing the Terrano PEV, a plug-in hybrid SUV that blends off-road toughness with electric intelligence. And here's the twist. This isn't just a concept. Production is coming within a year, which means this isn't nostalgia. This is strategy. Let's talk numbers, because this is where things get crazy. Up to 429 horsepower and a massive 800 Newton meters of torque. But here's what makes it different. The torque is instant. No turbo lag. No waiting. No drama. Just pure, immediate force. Imagine climbing a rocky hill. Normally, you'd need revs, momentum, skill. But here, you just press the pedal, and the car pulls itself up like it's being lifted by an invisible force. This is what electric power does to off-roading. It doesn't just improve it. It changes the rules completely. Now here's the part nobody expected. This off-road monster can also be a quiet daily driver with up to 135 kilometers of pure electric range. You can drive it all week without using a single drop of fuel. So think about it. During the week, silent, efficient, clean. On the weekend, aggressive, capable, unstoppable. It's like having two personalities in one machine. Now let's talk design, because Nissan made one thing very clear. This is not a soft SUV. Boxy shape, wide fenders, muscular stance, and yes, a full-size spare wheel mounted on the back. Everything about it screams, I belong off the road. It's not trying to look futuristic. It's trying to look ready. And honestly, that might be exactly what enthusiasts have been waiting for. Underneath all that toughness, there's serious technology. An intelligent AWD system that constantly adjusts power. A lockable rear differential for extreme conditions. Advanced suspension for both comfort and durability. This isn't just a rugged SUV. It's a smart one. The kind that doesn't just react to terrain. It predicts it. Here's something interesting. Nissan is not launching this everywhere the same way. Markets like the Middle East and Asia, they are getting the Terrano PHEV. But the US, they are getting a different beast, the Nissan Xterra. Why? Because Nissan knows not every driver is ready to go electric off-road. Smart move or miss opportunity. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The Toyota Land Cruiser 250. A legend, proven, trusted, but also traditional. Meanwhile, the Terrano is stepping into the future. So this isn't just a competition of cars. It's a battle of philosophies. Tradition versus innovation. So here's the big question. Would you trust an electric-powered SUV to take you deep into the desert? Or do you still prefer the sound, the vibration, the raw feel of a traditional engine? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because the future of cars, it's getting very interesting.